Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Baguio! Yay! Hindi ko pa pala guys nababanggit sa inyo, pero I'm leaving na. I only have 2 weeks left here in the Philippines and then pupunta ako ng Japan for graduate studies. So yeah, magma-masters na tayo. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang yung pinagkakaabalahan ko lately, yung mga papers. Nag-move out na din pala ako ng LB last month. 20 yung flight ko and baka yung sumunod na vlog na to ay sa Japan na siguro. Super excited and I'll see you guys there. Bye! Already 10:37 and nandito na kami sa Baguio and ngayon nandito kami sa High Point Bistro beside the cathedral. Dito kami magbe-breakfast and yung biyahe namin ay from 6 AM tapos nakarating tayo dito mga 10. 4 hours lang. Okay din yung bus, comfortable naman and may CR din doon pero hindi naman wala na CR kasi mabilis nga lang yung biyahe. Breakfast for today, American breakfast and coffee and then tapa. So it's already 2:20 and nandito na kami sa accommodation namin. So sa Mega Tower. Ayan, may kitchen lang dito. And then 1 bed. So may ref din, may free coffee. Nandito na rin yung water. And then ito shower. Nabook ko to for 3 days ng 3+. So ilalagay ko na lang sa screen yung saktong amount. Pero ayan. Wala tayong view. And may extra ano pa dito? Foam. Simple lang. Pero malinis. Hey guys. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Burnham Park. And napadaan kami dito sa mga stores ng ukay. Sobrang dami nakaka-overwhelm. Ang dami ding winter jacket. So, ayun. Madadaanan nyo siya pag papunta kayong Burnham. Nilalakad-lakad lang namin guys mula dun sa accommodation lahat. And kinakaya pa naman namin. So, yeah. Ayun na guys. Burnham Park. Tada!
A movie. I'll pick you up. We'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My when we drive on by, they just can't deny it. They wanna be like us.
Ako ay passenger princess. Passenger princess! With strawberry taho! Very cutesy! Ano bang mahihiling sa buhay? Driver for today! Hey guys, so it is already 6 PM and nandito kami sa may Burnham Park. Kakatapos lang naming mag-bicycle. So yung rent ay 100, 2 packs na yon for 30 minutes. Pero pwede naman daw mag-extend hanggang 40 minutes. So nandito kami sa may gilid. Ayan. Tapos bumili sa atin ng balot. Ayan, 31. So, nagpapahinga lang kami. And then, intayin na namin yung night market. Ay, hindi. Magkaka-cafe muna kami kasi maaga pa, 6 PM. And yung bukas ng night market ay 9 PM pa. So, ayun. Try namin yung foam cafe. Ano bang gagawin natin sa night market? Magpo-food trip. Maghanap ng ukay. Sarap. Naku, sisiw. Mali ang bukas. Nga pala, mag-skate sana kami kaso sarado siya. Ayan. Katabi lang siya nitong mga bicycle. And bukas pa daw yung bukas niya hanggang 5 PM. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung makakaabot kami bukas. Kasi, pupunta kami ng Atok tomorrow para sa Northern Blossom and yung Strawberry Farm. Namin for today, we have orange chicken and chicken cheese. Hey guys, good morning. So it's already 4:54 and we're already at the Northern Farm, Northern Blossom Farm. From accommodation, naglakad lang kami papuntang Dangwa Terminal. And yung unang biyahe doon ay 3 AM. So, sumakay kami ng bus for 150 pesos each. Dumating kami dito around 4:30. So, 1.5 hours. So, right now, medyo maaga pa. Pero bala kasi namin abangan yung sunrise. So, we have to pay 250 pesos for the entrance fee. 6 AM pa guys yung bukas nitong farm. So, naghintay pa kami 1 oras. And, yun, medyo malamig. Ayan. And meron pala dito guys na mga transient house. Dito mismo sa farm. So, nakita ko dun sa entrance na 1.5 for 2 packs. So, okay na rin siya. Ang agenda natin for today is this Northern Blossom Farm. And then after this, punta kami sa Strawberry Farm. And after that, babalik kami ng Baguio. Time check, it's already 5:20. And ayan na yung sea of clouds. already 7:42 and kakatapos lang namin ikutin tong Northern Blossom Flower Farm. And ayun, 2.5 hectares daw. And ngayon, hindi pa season ng pagpa-flower, pagpa-bloom ng flowers. Pero may flowers pa din naman. And then ngayon, may free coffee kami and tinapay. So, kasama siya dun sa binayaran namin, 250. Cheese bread and brewed coffee. Tapos, ang ganda ng view namin. Look. it's already 8:30 and paalis na kami ngayon dito sa farm. So, parang 2.5 hours kaming naglibot-libot. And ito nga pala guys, merong ukayan dito na ready to wear na. Ngayon, maghahanap kami ng lugaw. Nakita kasi akong Lugaw Republic sa mapa. And then, nagtanong-tanong pala ako kung paano pumunta sa strawberry farm. Mag-bus daw or van. Titigil naman daw dun sa may bungad ng strawberry farm and then lalakarin na lang papaloob. So, yun yung gagawin namin ngayon. Nakakapagod. Hey guys, so it's already 10:39 and nandito na kami sa strawberry farm. Tada! So, mga 1 oras lang yung biyahe namin sa van. Wala palang entrance fee dito, guys. So, walang tao din. And maganda yung weather kasi malamig-lamig. Yung huling punta namin dito, sobrang init. Maliit pa ako nun. Wow. 50 pesos ice cream. Strawberry. Sarap nga.
You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet between my parachute.
Hey guys, so it's already 4:42 and pupunta kami ngayon sa Ilikha Village. Around 12 pala kami dumating kanina, galing strawberry farm, and then natulog kami dito sa B&B kasi alas 3 kami umalis kanina, so pagod. And ngayon palang ulit kami lalabas. So, magna-night market din pala tayo guys kasi hindi tayo nakapunta kagabi, so hopefully hindi umulan. Guys, yung map nung Ililikha pala ang tawag, Ililikha. And then, nandito na lahat yung menu ng cafe. We got some pancakes and batirol. Good morning! Today is our 3rd day and last day. So, it's already 8 AM and ang agenda natin for today ay pupunta tayo ng Botanical Garden. Hey guys, so nasa Botanical Garden na kami. Bali, sumakay lang kami ng jeep, 13 pesos yung pamasahe, and mabilis lang naman yung biyahe, parang mga 10 minutes siguro. And then, ayun, nagbayad kami dito ng 100 pesos each for the entrance fee.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy.